Hi boys and girls, welcome to Crafts and More. This time we're going to be doing, for January, we're going to be doing winter things, winter crafts. So our first one is a toilet paper roll, which is covered with white paper, snowman. And in your little bag, you will get your white paper that you wrap around your toilet paper roll. And I would suggest, I know all of you have Scotch tape at home, I would use Scotch tape to hold the white paper on. Glue just does not, it'll pop open. It's just easier if you tape it, and then you can use glue on everything else. Next, I would put my eyes and my nose, and then my scarf, and then my buttons, and last I would do my earmuffs. And put your pipe cleaner on the inside, glue it on the inside of the toilet paper roll, and then put your little pom-poms on the outside. I would suggest, if you have Elmer's glue or any type of liquid glue at home, that's what I would use on this, so it'll stick better. And the only thing that you have to draw on is his mouth. And I know you've got a black crayon, or even you could use a black ink pen on your snowman. But that's your first little craft, and you'll get everything you need. You'll get the toilet paper roll, and all of your supplies are in this little Ziploc bag for you to use. Then your second craft is a winter fox. You will get a half paper plate, and the other half is his face that has been folded. And I have folded all of them for you and stapled them. All you have to do is glue his head on, and you will get a tail. You will get 6 cotton balls, and you know to put cotton on his face and on his body, you've got to put plenty of glue on there and stretch your cotton balls like this. Stretch them real far so you can get all of your fur on there for your fox. You will have 4 legs. You will have 2 ears. You will have a black pom-pom for his nose and 2 googly eyes. Now the legs and the ears do not have cotton on them. If you want to do that, you can. It's your fox. And you can take 1 cotton ball and kind of stretch it along the tail and get that covered pretty much all. But there again, I would suggest, instead of a glue stick, that you use liquid glue on your winter fox too. And in your Ziploc bag, you will have all the supplies that you need for your winter fox craft. And in there, I am going to put this picture. I'm going to photocopy it and put the picture in your bag for you. The next thing that we're going to make, our treat, is a pretzel marshmallow snowflake. You will get 6 pretzels, and 2 of them you will break in half, and you will put the half ones on each side of the longer ones, and then on the ends here you will put the long ones there, and then here's your other one that you have 1 long one and 2 short ones there. And you put them in everything is attached to the big marshmallow in the center, and then on each end is a mini marshmallow. This is real easy to do. And then if you want to eat it, you can. Okay, and your STEM project is to make fake snow. So in your little container, this is going to be real simple fake snow. There's a lot of recipes out there, but this is a real simple one. And I put the recipe in your bag. You take 4 tablespoons, and in here will be 4 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 tablespoon of water. So that you'll have to get at home. But dump your baking soda into a bowl. I'm sure Mom's got a bowl she doesn't mind you using at home. And then put a tablespoon of water in there and stir it up, and then take it and work it with your hands, and then you'll have fake snow. I hope you enjoy this. We'll do another Crafts and More in February, and it will be all Valentine crafts and goodies and a STEM project. So see you next month.